This is a Hyundai Genesis sedan 2009. And I am replacing the seat belt on the driver's side. As you can see, you have to remove the threshold there, the sill, and once you do that, you can remove the molding behind the post. Do not try to take off the top part because it is screwed at the top. Try to get a picture in there. It has screws. Okay, it has screws right above here. And if you try to break it, try to take it out, you're gonna break it. So just remove the bottom post, and it has two clips in the back over here that allows you to take the bottom half off so that you can get access to the seat belt. You just have to remove this bolt here, and you can put in the new seat belt. For the seat belt attached to the seat, there is just one bolt that is attached to the chair. Okay, as you can see, it has clips on the back. These yellow ones that you have to, and this one here as well, that you have to pry out from the post. And there is the seat belt attached to the seat, the front driver's seat. If you have any questions, just send me the questions and I'll try to answer them. Try to help you out with any other thing that you have to work on the car. This was a front damage, a big accident, and I took the car and I fixed everything in front. Including the bumper, the sensors, the rebar, rad support, lights, engine cover, air filter. There's the fender liner, the front fender, the hood. Everything was replaced and repainted, including the suspension. So yeah, if you have any other questions, I also have a video with the front steering wheel airbag. Thanks for watching.